telling you, it's something with that motor.
So I guess we didn't hit a log, huh?
No. We didn't head back, huh?
I kind of want to feel like I want to vomit. Why not? Yeah, let's just blow this thing up. Nice draw.
Do everyone a favor.
Coming in hot. Here, turn. First time out on this, right?
I just made a marathon drive up to Troy, New York to pick this thing up.
Glad you did it, not me.
Yeah, right. 1958 Starcraft
Jet-Star.
Jet-Star. I don't even know.
Right
I
on
drove
the
all the way to
dash.
New York to buy it.
Yeah. Yeah.
But he's got this silly motor from the 1980s, and it just feels gross.
It's 1983 Johnson 35 horse. It's the most bland thing you could ever put on a boat like this. I've never understood that. You put all this time and money, or buy a boat that's had this time and money put into it, and then you keep a 1980s, you put a new motor on it. They're just no character to them at all. They're not the same quality, they're just junk, in my opinion, my humble
I think
opinion.
bland is being polite. This motor sounds like shit, it runs like shit.
I think the idol was screaming at the dock. Who knows why, but that took a whole 10 seconds to adjust that. No tools. So yeah. I mean, I shouldn't say all, you know, I like 1970s and 80s Mercury stuff. It seems like that's really cool, but most of the OMC stuff just became bland and mass-produced and just garbage. I mean, I've never been a fan of it.
I mean, if you got a 50s boat, you put a 50s motor on it, right? Oh, yeah. I didn't show you.
Where'd you, Starcraft Marine?
What do you think about
Where's
that?
He give that to you? Why did you get that?
So,
you get that from the thrift store when you bought the boat?
The previous owner claims that Starcraft gave him this for free so that they could put this boat on their website.
Yeah, that looks about like a hat you get for free. Like a dealership in the 1990s, and then you paint your house in it.
All right.
When you're 65 years old.
I mean, this one goes with the boat.
Yeah, I don't think so. I don't think so.
As a bald man, I like a good cap.
Yeah.
So I don't know, man. Should I swap out for this guy?
Oh, you're the captain.
I am the captain now.
I'll have to find a cheesy meme to put in there. I'm sure there's something. Cue cheesy meme.
I'm the captain now.
Yeah.
That's what all the kids like nowadays. We got to do to be popular.
Careful so that we don't get sued.
Yeah. No, nobody cares about us yet.
It's definitely not from a major motion picture.
No, not at all. Not at all.
Well, what do you say we wind this nasty sounding motor out?
Yeah.
See if we can actually clean this thing out with a woefully underpowered power plant.
Yeah. Yeah, go ahead and wind it out. I kind of want to feel like I want to vomit. Why not? Yeah, there we go. Yeah. There we go. Now we're pounding.
It's a rough day on the water in late October.
Doing some tinny bashing.
Oh! Can we say titties on tinny?
Tinnies.
Tinny.
We're not titty bashing.
Oh.
Tinny. Yeah. I don't know, I guess I've got a little bit of bashing going on, don't I? Yeah. I meant tinny with an N. With an N. You ain't used to this, are you?
Nah, man, I can just feel my
used to
cartilage
that.
in between my vertebrae just wearing away.
That's all we did in vacation. Sleeping in the front of a 57 or 59 Alumacraft Queen Marie and playing in the front, pounding over white caps. Well, my dad wanted to go fishing all day. Still used to it.
So that's what's wrong with you guys.
Yeah, amongst other things. Well, the thing is, if I put that max thing on, that'll give you the automatic horizon leveling and it broadens it out more. I gotta put that lens mod on.
Yeah, right now it's just not even close.
It's what?
This wasn't even close. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it seems to be running okay, but anything made after the 60s just sounds like complete trash. Sounds like garbage. They don't have that same soul they did in the 50s and 60s. 60s kind of where it died off and everything just started getting made cheap with OMC, at least most of it. This boat, I think, deserves better. Do we even have a readout on the back?
202?
Yeah.
No.
I guess that'd be why we don't
Looks
got
real
any.
pretty though, doesn't it?
Yeah. My oil pressure.
Yeah.
I don't know how applicable that is on 2-cycle, but whatever. Sure. Watch out for this idiot.
Oh yeah. Anytime you're out on the water, it's full-time job. Watch out for idiots.
Yeah.
Good thing we got this windshield.
This windshield's a life's. Oh shit! What was that?
Man, I'm telling you, it's something with that motor. It's like sputtering or missing.
So I guess it didn't hit a log, huh?
No.
And I bet I know what it is. The shift dogs are starting to go. If he had that engine revved out to where he was slamming that gear, I guarantee you he's rounded off the shift dogs.
Oh man.
Good thing we're not leaving it on here for long, huh?
Yeah. God.
Guys, if your motor doesn't idle, fix it. Just fix it.
Yeah. And if you don't know how to fix it, maybe boating isn't for you.
Yeah. Or you can go buy one of those big ones like back there, spend, you know, $250,000 or something on it, not be able to pull it out because you can't afford a truck. That works.
Oh, look at this guy. What's your dinghy?
Get that cool cigarette boat down here, I'm gonna race it. I'm racing.
Hammer it down there.
Hammer down!
Get him on down there. That's a little better.
That's shift dogs.
Man.
The shift dogs are going out. If we ever make it big time, we're gonna buy some cool shit. And as much as I hate Chinese shit, the one thing that I'd buy is they have that little God damn it.
We need to head back, huh?
Well, just give it less power and it won't slip. So for a little lesson for people who don't know how they work, your shift dogs and your forward and reverse gear, they have to engage. And when you shift those at high RPM, because your motor doesn't run worth a shit, you slam them in and they round off the ends. So then, when you're under power, they basically round over and they work their way up that curve and they pull apart. And that's what you're hearing skip, is the shift dogs are skipping a cog, or skipping a tooth. Trying to be educational. Maybe.
Suffice to say, it's not what you want.
Find it out.
people like feeding ducks?
I don't know.